want to thank you all for coming. It's such a pleasure to have you here. We appreciate you guys more than you can possibly know. When you are running a small business in a small town, you need wonderful, wonderful people that come and shop at your store. And I just want to say thank you to all of you for supporting us, really, just keeping us going. We're on year number 50.
57.
57?
It's your dad's fault. He opened the garden center. Yeah.
So 57 years, yes.
Thank you.
My father started it 2 years before I was born. So I am not 57, that's all I gotta say. And I want to say thank you to my amazing, amazing staff. Hard work here tonight.
I want everyone to look to their right, look to a friend who's also a gardener. I want everyone to look to their left, who's also a friend. These are all gardeners. These are the inside. It's amazing how few people actually keep a small family business going. When you look at all the thousands of people, it comes down to about 100 people really keep a small business going. And you all are our insider, the word of mouth, the folks that talk about us at church, at your pinochle club, at your golf club, at your gatherings. You support us more than others, I'm telling you. So thank you for that. We thought, my team came to me going, what can we do just for you all? I went, well, as long as it doesn't cost me money, it's okay. They said, oh, no. So we got our full-on catering, wine stuff, so they have really gone all out. Our team is amazing, truly amazing. We could not do it without them. Well, we had a very good year. We had a record year this year. So we 57 years, record year. Yeah, thank you. The town is growing. So part of its town is growing. There's new rooftops, but it's more than that. We saw the college kids. They're coming in. We're seeing Embry-Riddle, Prescott College. When school starts, they buy more houseplants. It is ridiculous. I think that's a gateway drug to gardening or something. That tomato plants. So it was a direct. We just saw a definite increase. And I think the average sales gone up because people feel better. So they're buying bigger trees. Tree sales were just off the charts. We've never seen anything like it. The houseplants, we put a lot of energy into that. We showed it off in some classes, and the sales doubled. So that remodel we did last winter, it worked really well for us. And so I think we'll do that. So we'll focus. If trucks come in, we can load and then refresh the tables for the folks. By Saturday afternoon, we're picked over. We've got to get past this, because no one has fresh herbs that are organic, non-GMO, all that stuff you want. That no one's doing that in town. You can get a strawberry at every drugstore and hardware store, but no one's doing the department where you can find all the stuff from. And so we found that's a niche for us, and we're just expanding that. That is on a growth pattern. That, and we're starting to talk to our friends. Our friends are farmers and growers, so we're already putting together pansy grows. So you'll see pansies by March 1, full baskets, just glorious trailing wave pansies that you can plant in March. We know what's right at the right time. We find if we keep giving folks the right stuff at the right time, they may go back to the box, but then they go, man, that doesn't work. And they come back here and go, this just keeps working. So that formula we're going to keep going with. So already we're starting to put all those grows together. We're trying to find smaller growers locally. So Amy, Michelle, and I were just over in Albuquerque. There's a small little family farm that grows unbelievable perennials and xeriscape native stuff. And Albuquerque and us were the same type of zone, and it's just 6 hours away, so it's easy trucking. Pull the truck up, bring it. So we've got some exciting new plants coming that we've got exclusive access to, that you won't find anywhere else except at Waters Gardens in this level. New for next 2020. So what we're going to do is get some more sales space, because we're expecting sales to go up some more, so we can free up space for more vegetables, herbs, shrubs. We need more places to show off things, and so you'll see that quite a bit. Lots of new tree racks, because tree sales we can't keep tree. We need some space for big trees, big caliber. If I had a dime for every time I heard Well, you know, I don't want to wait forever for this thing to grow. I want it now. That we want it now. So we're trying to find now for folks, from evergreens to shade to fruit trees. You wanted me to share. Sorry. We're going to make it to year 58. We're going to make it to year 58. Thank you.
Is very knowledgeable.
Yes.
And I thank you that whenever I come with a leaf or a plant or something, they know what to do, they know how to take
Yes.
care of it, they know how to
Thank
find
you.
it. Thank you for that training. Yeah.
We really try to help with all those problems.
Finding is, we are the extension of the county extension office. The county, they send people over to us going, I don't know what this bug is, this weed, is this a flower, is this? They come and ask, and we just know. So we're trying to put systems into place and products to solve that are local, that are made local.
Well, this is a porch pot. So we're doing a porch pot class on November 7th. And it's a BYOB. So
Bring your own bottle.
Bring your own favorite bottle of wine to share.
Or lemonade or whatever.
Or water, or lemonade, or iced tea, or Diet Coke, whatever you got. And we will teach you, and we will help you put a porch pot together.
Yes.
And this is just one example that I put together, but there are so many different things you can do. And what a wonderful way to decorate your entryway for the holidays. So if you're interested in that, I'm sure it'll be on the website as well. But November 7th.
We're going to make sure you all get a personal invite. It'll be fun. It'll be after hours. We've never done it before. We'll show you how to put together a container. What we're thinking is we're trying to change it up. It's free. Just come. Your entry level is bring a bottle to share with someone something.
Oh, good.
We're not having a lot of food, just maybe some cheese. It's just something light. It's it's just casual. And then bring a pot. If you got an empty pot, you bring a pot. We'll fill it for you. We'll have plants, and then we'll show you how to design it. And then we'll have the picks you can put in there to make it holiday-ish. So it's mainly to get you through Thanksgiving, through Christmas.
Yeah.
Things that look good. Purely for fun, just, I don't know, something we do at our house. The news I had for you. I appreciate you all coming. I insist that you have more wine. Lisa insists you have more food.